Project mo to, project mo yon. This is all yours. This huge amount of space, dito mo itatayo yung dream home mo. Hi everyone, it's Earl, the Dynamic Realtor, and right now we're gonna feature one corner lot na na-reopen dito sa Solen Residences. If you haven't already, go check it out. Isa to sa mga unang projects na feature natin. Again, it's Solen Residences. It's in Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. So, saan ba yan, Earl? So, it's in the Central Business District of Laguna. Katabi lang ng New Valley, no, yung kapitbahay. Tapos, andito rin yung Paseo de Santa Rosa, yung Paseo Outlets. So, pag talaga residential lots ang pinag-uusapan, especially between 200 to 300 square meters, ito yung isa sa mga top of mind na nire-recommend ko sa clients ko. And dito, matagal nang sold out, no? Minsan-minsan na lang may mga nare-reopen, perhaps may mga nag-back out the buyers kaya nare-open. And ngayon, maganda tong lot na to. Ngayon may dalawa na lang na lote dito, pero yung isang lote na to yung talagang ma-recommend ko since it's corner at maaliwalas siya. So tara, let's visit the site again and let's check yung corner lot na to. So let's drive around Greenfield City, no? Syempre manggagaling tayo dito sa may bandang Eton. So kasi 'di ba pag galing ka Metro Manila or galing ka sa Calamba, one option para makapunta sa Greenfield ay sa Eton City ka lalabas or mag-exit sa SLEX. So baka nagtataka kayo, Earl, ano ba talaga Eton City, Greenfield City? Iisa lang ba yan, may-ari niyan? So nagkataon dito nga sa Santa Rosa, no, magkakatabi talaga sila. So, yung exit ng SLEX is ang pangalan, no, na Eton City / Greenfield City. So, that's why nadaanan natin dito yung parang Eton City Square, no, na merong Starbucks doon, may Jollibee, may Anytime Fitness. It's a commercial center ng Eton. Yun naman ay under ng Eton Properties, no. Tapos, ngayon, in konting andar lang, nasa boundary na tayo, Greenfield City na to. Yan. So, ngayon, itong Greenfield City, yung mga subdivisions nandito, villages, and commercial centers, for sure familiar kayo sa Paseo de Santa Rosa. Yan, so matagal na existing, late 90s pa, no? Or early 2000s. Tapos, andito yung mga iba-ibang villages like si Pramana, si Solen Residences, no? And, andito rin yung Trava. No? And of course, yung condo that we featured before, no? Si Zadia. Ayan. So, ngayon, baybayin natin ulit para ma-refresh kayo ano ba yung vibe dito, what it's like to live here, anong klaseng lifestyle yung may enjoy mo. So, na-feature naman na natin sa ibang videos natin yung commercial centers dito, di ba, sa Santa Rosa. If you haven't watched that, the title of that video is Townships and Upcoming Developments in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Ayan, and I also featured Solen Residences before. Ngayon lang medyo magiging specific tayo, tayong feature na property na isang lote. Ayan, konting andar lang from the exit from Eton City, no? Andito na agad yung Solen Residences. So, pasok tayo. Tapos, I'm gonna drive from the gate going to the exact lot para ma-visualize nyo at makita nyo gano'ng kalapit lang sa gate yung lot. Ayan. So, talaga yung mga clients ko from Metro Manila, they really appreciate this area kasi sa Manila, di ba, wala masyadong greenery. Kung meron man, mas dominant pa rin, mas marami pa rin concrete jungle. So dito, mas marami talagang greenery. Lalo na to, Greenfield City, talagang they prioritize yung proportion. No, almost parang 45% dedicated for open spaces lang. Let's drive around the community so you can appreciate more the neighborhood and para magka-idea kayo dun sa mga na-approve na modifications sa mga house designs. Alright, so let's drive around the community of Solen Residences para makita nyo yung neighborhood, yung mga bahay. So, this one is a Lian model. So, minodify niya, di ba? Iniba niya yung stoneworks. Talagang you can still come up with your own distinctive design. Parang iti-tweak, i-alter mo na konti yung model na napili mo. Yan. So, dito talaga, no, very peaceful, close to nature. Maraming puno. At saka malalapad yung kalsada. That's what I really like about Solen Residences. And sa mga projects ng Greenfield City talaga, pina-prioritize nila yung greenery. So it should be around 40% ay open spaces. Kaunti lang yung parang buildable area. It's really within the central business district talaga. Strategically located tong village na to. Kaya it's really perfect for those families who would love to relocate from Metro Manila. Yung mga taong gusto nang makalayo sa hustle and bustle of the city, diba? Yung gusto talaga close to nature, maraming greenery, kasi alam naman natin, hindi masyadong abundant ang greenery sa metro. Dito talagang mafe-feel mo na suburban living, best of both worlds, no? Mararamdaman mo yung convenience kasi sobrang daming commercial centers and malls. So tabi-tabi lang dito yung biggest developers, sila Eton, itong Greenfield, Sinu Valley, may South Forbes pa. And they all share the same quality of life, the same standard of living. May Landers at SNR pa dito. Although nasa Nuvali yun, pero magbe-benefit ka pa rin naman doon kahit taga-Greenfield ka. Maraming schools, universities nearby. May De La Salle, UST Santa Rosa. Magkakaroon tayo ng UE dito. May Miriam College, Xavier School. May malapit na Mapua, Malayan Colleges, Laguna. Talagang very conducive for living, lalo na for families and kahit sa mga bachelors and couples. World-class ang amenities dito, so we have featured it already dun sa vlog natin before where I featured Solen Residences. And pinakita ko rin yung mga model houses so you can choose from, which is si Lian at Raya model. And if we will compare Solen Residences sa other villages and other developers, no, dito talagang may extra touch of premiumness siya. Mas posh and mas premium dahil nga laking bagay na semi-underground yung utilities nila. Sa ibang counterparts nito, sa ibang developers, sa ganitong price point, sa ganitong price per square meter, hindi pa semi-underground. So talagang laking elevate talaga nun kasi mas maaliwalas talaga pag walang spaghetti wires, di ba? Walang buhol-buhol na kable ng kuryente, wala masyadong poste. So I'm gonna drive going to the lot itself, no? Dun sa phase 2B. So what I like about this is corner lot siya. It's 287 square meters. Tapos regular yung shape niya, hindi awkward, hindi irregular. So dire-diretso lang siya. Tapos konting under lang from the gate, no? Ando ka na sa lot agad. Okay, so ang maganda dito talaga sa Solen, no? Malapad yung kalsada, maaliwalas. At dahil nga semi-underground yung utilities dito, yung electrical posts, konti lang. No? Parang konting block lang yung meron. Yung more on trees yung nakikita mo. So you will really appreciate the view, lalo na kung galing kang Metro Manila. Kasi yung vibe niya, it will give you that suburban living vibe. So nasa main road pa rin tayo. No, dito naman yung mga phases, technically interconnected lang sila. Wala namang mga separate gates kada phase. So dito sold out na, no, sa Solen Residences. Kaya talagang pag may mga nare-reopen, I really make sure na nako-cover natin yan, lalo na kung maganda yung lote. Okay, so malapit na agad tayo, ang bilis lang. Kung ilang minutes yung drive ko, no, from the gate, no, kung kayo yung nagda-drive, ganun kabilis lang din siya marating. Yan, so it's the fourth block, no, mula dun sa parang linear park. And ito na. Ito na agad yung lote, no. It's 287 square meters corner lot. So baba lang kami, no, para mas maipakita namin ang malapitan. I am pleased to show you this available corner lot dito sa Phase 2 extension or Phase 2B ng Solen Residences. As you can see, no, from the gate, sobrang lapit niya lang. Tapos, maaliwalas yung paligid, malapad yung mga kalsada, and sa phase na to, hindi pa ganun karami yung mga bahay. That's why, hindi siya crowded. And dahil nga, only project ito, you will construct your own house, some people who bought their residential lots, hindi nila plano magpatayo in the next years to come. So, yung iba matagal pa, yung iba they're just waiting to maximize, no, their capital gains. Hindi nila tatayuan pa yung bahay nila or if-flip lang nila to. So, talagang hindi to mapupuno ng bahay. No? Kaya that's what I really like about projects na lote yung ino-offer because talagang ano siya less dense, tapos malalaki pa yung cuts dito, 200 to 300 plus. Kaya sa isang block, kaunti lang yung bahay. Tapos hindi pa lahat magpapatayo, right? So, dito tayo galing, no, sa side na to. From the gate, dito ka magagaling. Tapos, pag nakita mo yung Jasmine Drive, ito na yung pinaka-lote. So, it's Jasmine Drive, corner Maple Crescent. Yan. So, Okay, so mula dito sa kinatatayuan ko ngayon, no, project mo lang to hanggang doon sa corner, tapos hatiin mo yung block, yung mga bamboo na yan, that's the limit of the lot. So, pag ganun siya, tapos from where I am standing, project mo lang to pag ganun. So yeah, tara, lakarin natin yung perimeter or yung boundaries ng lot para mas ma-visualize nyo kung gaano siyang kalaki. Alright, so, come on, join me. So, i-project natin tong boundary ng lot. Yan. So, hanggang dito sa mga bamboo, ito yung limit niya. Oh, so, imagine, project mo to, project mo yon. This is all yours. This huge amount of space, dito mo itatayo yung dream home mo. So, again, dito ay modern tropical Asian architecture. You can select from the different options. No? Usually, lian at raya yung pwede mong itayo dito sa ganitong lot. So, ilakarin lang natin ulit hanggang dun sa isang dulo. So, if you haven't checked it out, no, meron akong video ng model houses ng raya at lian para mas ma-visualize mo how you can design or how you can tweak, how you can make some modifications dun sa lian at raya models. So, ang gagawin, again, sa Greenfield, bibili ka ng lote, tapos pipili ka ng lot, depende dun sa kung ano yung applicable sa lote, sa lot size niya. Tapos, you're free to make some modification. So, iikutin natin yung community para mas makita nyo paano minimodify ng iba. Kasi hindi naman sila totally magkakamukha. Ano? You can make a distinction depende dun sa stoneworks. Yan. So, pwede ka mag-tweak na konti doon. Yan. So, hanggang dito siya approximately. Yan. So, again, project natin to. Pag ganon, this is all yours. Kumbaga dito sa Greenfield City, no, pipili ka dun sa mga models pero hindi rin naman siya totally cookie cutter. Okay, so sa interior design ikaw ang masusunod kung ilang kwarto, anong sukat ng mga kwarto. You will still be able to have the freedom, the liberty to get your own contractor, your own architect. As in, kumbaga i-apply mo lang yung blueprint, kukunin mo yung sample. Tapos, you're free to make modifications, alterations dun sa exterior. Basta dapat may resemblance pa rin dun sa original model ng raya or lian. So, may dalawang videos tayo doon showing each model para mas makita nyo kung ano itsura ng mga models na yan. So, again, highlight ko lang dito sa lote na to, again, ito yung lote. Ang mag-aanda dito, yung poste, nasa kabila. So, andito yung posts. So, swerte ka kasi wala kang obstruction. No, walang makaka-obstruct dun sa view or dun sa fence mo or dun sa design ng bahay mo in general. Kasi nasa other side yung poste. Yan. So, tapos, if you will notice, itong tapat mo, ito ay perimeter na ng subdivision, ng village. So, basically, wala ka na rin magiging kapitbahay dyan. And currently, no, what I like about this din, wala ka pa rin katabi at katalikuran dito sa pinakalote. So, yeah, if you, kung sa'yo, mapapasayo itong lot na to, and if ever magpapatayo ka na agad, so, mauna ka. Alright, so, lakarin ko yung boundary naman going to the frontage. So ito, what I really like about Solen is ganito sila mag-corner. Meron ka pang parang may soil pa dito, parang may clearance pa siya, which can add parang additional charm, additional feature dun sa sa parang gardening, no? Additional pa siya. Hindi lang siya basta normal standard na corner. So pwede ka pang dito, pwede mo siyang i-incorporate dun sa garden mo, sa fence mo, that can complement itong feature na to kung saan nakalagay yung street sign natin. And so again, sige, lakarin ko naman yung papunta dito kung saan ako galing. Balikan ko lang siya para mas makita nyo yung totality ng boundaries niya. Okay, so once again, it's 287 square meters. Mula sa point na to, extend mo pa ganon, then pag ganon, then sa'yo tong buong to. Now, para mas ma-feel mo yung overall vibe, ano itsura ng surrounding community, mga kapitbahay mo, to feel the neighborhood, here's a 360-degree view of the lot. Let's talk about the price. So this lot is 287 square meters. The price per square meter is 43,800 per square. So Ibig sabihin, 12.5 million yung list price niya. So we have 3 payment terms to choose from. One is spot cash with 15% discount, then spot down payment, and installment basis. So for spot cash, so 12.5 million, makaka-discount ka na 15%. So considering all the VAT, so magiging 10.6 million na lang siya. So imagine that's 1.8 million worth of discount. Then if we add the other charges, magiging 11.1 million yung net total contract price with title transfer fees na yon. Option number 2 is 15% spot down payment. So after reservation, 1 month after that, you will pay the 15%, around 1.6 million. You will still get a discount, around 13% discount din yun. So from 12.5 million, magiging 10.9 million yung total price niya. Including the other charges, ang magiging net TCP natin would be around 11.4 million. So after nung spot down payment mo sa first month, sa 4th month, magju-due yung balance. And the third option is installment basis. Kahit ready for construction na yung lupa, very friendly pa din yung terms if ever gusto mo installment. So 10% down payment in 23 months. So mahaba, almost 2 years yung binibigay nilang grace period to pay everything sa down payment. So kung 12.5 million yung TCP mo, including the other charges, title transfer fees, maging 13 million siya. Tapos ang reservation fee natin is 25,000. Then after 1 month, magsisimula na yung down payment mo. Approximately nasa 54,000 per month ito for 23 months. Then balance can be paid via bank financing or cash. I hope you enjoyed this tour and this specific property that we featured. So hindi ko lang kontrolado kung hanggang kailan available tong nag-iisang corner lot na available natin dahil nga sold out na dito madalas sa Solen Residences. Anyways, worst case scenario, maunahan naman tayo dito. At least now, you now have an idea kung ano itsura ng corner lot dito and na-refresh kayo about dun sa vibe, sa neighborhood ng Solen Residences and how it's like to live here. So if you haven't watched my videos about Solen, you can scroll down, nasa bandang baba yung mga vlogs ko about Solen Residences. And if you want to learn more about this property and you're interested, don't hesitate to contact me on the following platforms. I'm on TikTok and Facebook at The Dynamic Realtor. You can call me on my mobile and Viber at 0956-356-2753. And of course, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment kayo dito and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga bagong uploads namin. So once again, this is Earl, the Dynamic Realtor, showing you premium properties you deserve.